Howdy y'all, it's Kathy from RustPaperScissors, and I'm here today to show 3 mini journals that I've made. They're made with these Levi Strauss labels from jeans. I got the idea from Journal Ideas, and she had just used a label and made a journal, but I had some mini of the little, they're composition books, and I used that as my cover. And the 3 journals are basically the same. There are some differences, and I will go through that at the end of the journal. But let me set up where we're just looking at this first one, and I'll be right back. Okay, this is the little A journal, and it's just a composition book that I covered with denim, and then I added the little label on there. I've included in the journal some rusted elements, and I'll show those. I just tied it with some twine, and let's go inside. On the inside, let me get there. I added a vintage library card that I cut down, and it's just attached here with a little clip. All the ephemera is removable if you wanted it. That way I think you can make it your own rather than just, having to do with mine. So all the pages are tea-dyed. They're mainly blank. This little is a little typewriter, a faux typewriter key that I make, and it is attached with some removable tape. So if you didn't like it, you could remove it. And then, like I say, it's just basically blank. It has some ledger paper, some graphed paper, just some writing paper. This is a vintage ledger paper from around the 1950s. This is an old book page, dictionary page. And this one is just some matte paper. I added a little rusted butterfly clip that you could clip things to in your journal. This is just a blank page. This is just a little doily. This is the center of the signature, and it is a little envelope, and you could add things in there. And then I just added this little rusted star, kind of an homage to Texas, where I live and where I'm from. So I can't get it to turn around the way I want it to, but there it is. And so if you didn't like it, just take it off. And then the rest of the pages are the same. And then the back, I included several different pages. I included this little skeleton clip. I love these. It's a small one. And then I included a belt loop from Journals. And what you could do is, if you had a tag, you could make it, the ribbon on a tag or a pull. So I included that. And then it's just some cut off pages from the journal. And there's a little piece of corrugated cardboard. These would just be things that you could add to the journal if you wanted it to be cohesive. And then inside here, I have several stamps and tickets. And all these will be exactly the same. There's a little blank tag. There's stamps. There's a postmark that's been canceled. Here's another little stamp, a ticket, and then these are just little tickets that I have, and then this is just a piece of ephemera. So that is included with the journal. They will be for sale in my Etsy shop. And then let's go through the other 2, and I'll show you the difference. Okay, this was A. And then let's look at B. This is B. And this journal, it's basically the same. It's covered in the denim. The only difference is The center of the signature does not have a envelope. So it's just the doily, and then I covered up the staples with some washi tape. And then again, it has the rusted star, it has the vintage library card, and it has the little extras in it. So that's B. So the difference with B is it does not have an envelope in the center. Okay. And then C, the difference with C is only the cover. And it's just a brown cover. I had gotten these little composition books and I really liked them. And the cover was just brown, so I just left this one natural. And then again, it has the rusted elements, it has the little star, and it has the extras in the back. So these, let me wrap it up so you can see them. Okay, so once again, here are the 3 journals. A is just has everything, the center envelope. B does not have the center envelope. And C has everything, the center envelope, but the cover is brown paper. So I would appreciate it if you left me a comment. If you have any ideas or suggestions, I would appreciate it. These will be in my Etsy shop, RustPaperScissors, along with other rusted elements and inserts that I sell. I do appreciate your time. Thank you very much.